After our points have been configured and any changes that have been made have been accepted and transferred to the module, we need to verify our inputs and our outputs through a point-to-point checkout. That means checking the wiring between the sensor or end device and the module and monitoring the operation of the points. Let's start with the BIs. For each BI, let's short the wires at each end device, such as a fan-proof or a pump-proof. Verify the binary input point is closed on the logic page. Open the binary input at the end device. Verify the binary input point is open on the logic page. Note: if the readings on the logic page are reversed from actual conditions, the polarity, normally closed, normally open contact position, is set incorrectly. Change the polarity and check the point again. For the analog inputs, verify the sensor type and the min-max values are entered correctly on the point details. Read the analog input value on the logic page for that point. For thermistor points only, verify by shorting the two wires together. The sensor should go to full range if shorted. Be aware that you could cause damage to your import or module if you short other signal types. Calibrate analog input value by adjusting the calibration offset if needed. For the binary outputs, on the equipment starter, place the equipment's HOA switch in the automatic position. Next, on the control module, set the binary output's HOA switch to on. Verify that the BO light has turned on. Be aware that when you turn the BO on, you are sending a signal to the equipment and it will respond accordingly. In this case, by turning on. Take any necessary precautions to prevent equipment damage. Now, on the control module, set the binary output's HOA switch to automatic. Lock the binary output point on from the logic page. Then verify the device has turned on. Next, unlock the binary output point. And then finally, on the control module, set the binary output's HOA switch to off. Note: if the lock conditions on the properties page are reversed from actual conditions, the polarity, normally closed, normally open, contact position, is set incorrectly. Change the polarity and check the point again. For the analog outputs, verify the output or actuator type and the min-max values are configured correctly. Next, lock the AO to the desired output, such as 5 volts. Then verify the movement of the end device to the desired position. Next, lock the voltage output to the device maximum, such as 10 volts, and verify. Finally, unlock the point. In the startup phase, we will continue to use WebCTRL's logic pages and microblock pop-ups to make adjustments to tuning properties, set points, and other microblock values. The results will be verified using the logic page's dynamic status information.